Hello, this is Fernando from Lodomus.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to target real estate even if you are in the United States, where now you have some restrictions and you can target by age or many interests or even the gender. I will show you what are your options. Okay, so in here when you start a new campaign targeting real estate, you have to select in here special ad category. I recommend that you do that, or else your account could be banned if there is a review. You check this and you select housing. Okay, now I am doing a conversion campaign, but this is for every campaign. It's not a problem, not an issue. Now I go to conversion. And in here I have my custom conversions added. I have a video that shows how to do that. I'm targeting Las Vegas. Okay, I added in here the location Las Vegas, and I can't select less than 15 miles from the center of Las Vegas. This is a new restriction also for real estate, but don't worry, it will work even better than before. I have tried it and I got very good results. You see in here you can select the age or the gender. You can only enter the language. If you are targeting, for example, Spanish people, you can select in here Spanish and you will only show ads to Spanish people. Now in here in the detailed targeting, many interests are removed now. For example, you can select ski if you are targeting a high-end house, a luxury house, but you have other options. They are less specific as they used to be, but you can also work with that. Okay, so we are targeting 1,800,000 people. For example, if we want luxury, no, let me show you first what I would do. What I would do is start with real estate. You can target that interest. Okay, once you have real estate, you can click in here in suggestions and it will show you other options that you can target. For example, if you have a real estate investing, you can select this, or if you have an expensive house, you can select that other one, luxury real estate. You can also select the usual ones, Trulia, Zillow, House. Then you also have these other options in here. There is also, I will show you, I select, if let's suppose that we are selling a house that costs $1 million plus, you could select luxury real estate. Okay, we are down to how many? 73,000 people. Then in here you also get luxury vehicle. I would recommend that you split test them, this one in one ad set and the other one in another ad set, and check on the results. But these are some options that you can target for expensive houses. Now we have both selected. This is a NOR, this and this. If you want to narrow them down, we select narrow, and then in here luxury vehicle, for example, and we remove that one. So now we target 40,000 people. Just remember that the more restrictions you add to your ad sets, the more expensive your ads will be. If you keep them open, the less you will pay. Of course, I always recommend to start a bit targeted, and once you get some fires on your pixel, that you remove the interests and that you go for wider audience. but of course this requires some testing and some work for this to work. Okay, so now you have some ideas for targeting, and if not, you can put in here real estate and then check the suggestions, and you can move from there. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I hope this was helpful.